Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 7 whole and parts decimal part 3rd. In previous class we also discussed about the decimal, how to read the decimal, how to write the decimal, what is the place value of decimal place and what is the place value chart of a decimal place. These are we discussed in previous class. Today we will discuss about like and unlike decimal. Like and unlike decimal. For example, look here 4.8, here 15.33. In look in decimal, after the decimal place, here how many decimal place? One decimal place. Here how many decimal place? One decimal place. One more number we write 328.4. Here also you look here. Here one decimal place. Here also one. Here also one. These decimal numbers is called like decimals. How many you don't look in the whole number part. Here whole number part is 4, here 15, here 328. You only look the decimal part. Here our decimal part, here 1 digit, here also 1 digit, here also 1 digit. This is the like decimals. Then next 3.48, then next 1.3, next 9.009. Look here, after the decimal, here 2 decimal place, here 1 decimal place, here 3 decimal place, here 2, 1, 3. These numbers is called unlike decimal. These numbers is called unlike decimal. Understand you? Then now we convert unlike into like decimal. Unlike into like decimal. 4.38, 0.1, then 0.379. Look here. Here 4.38, 0.1, 0.379. Okay. Here how many decimal place here? 2 decimal place. Here 1, here 3. All are in unlike decimal? Okay. Now we convert unlike decimal into like decimal. Unlike decimal into like decimal. The highest decimal place here 3 place. Therefore 4.38, how many 0 you put? 1 0 you put in the right hand side of the decimal number. Here how many 0 you put? 2 zeros. Here 0.379. Now you look, all are in 3 decimal place. Here 3, here 3, here 3. This is convert unlike decimal into like decimal. Understand you? One more example. 37.5, 8.381, then 149.002. Look here. Which is the highest decimal place here? Here 1, here 3, here 3. This we convert 37.5. How many 0 put? 2 zeros put here. Okay. Here 8.381, here 149.002. Understand you? Yes. Now, how to compare the decimal numbers? Comparing the decimal numbers. Comparing the decimal numbers. Look, 48.07 here, 43.483. First you convert unlike a decimal into like a decimal. First you convert unlike a decimal into like a decimal. Here 48.070. Here 43.483. Look here. First you look the whole number part. Here the whole number part is 48. Here the whole number part is 43. Which is greater? This. 48 is greater. Then you put this sign. Which number is greater? The open mouth come in this side. Then here 50 and 100. Which number is greater here? 100 is greater. Then you put this sign. The open mouth is come in greater. The open mouth come in greater side. Okay. Now we look the whole number part. Our first whole number part is 48. Here 43. Which is greater? 48.070 is greater than 43.483. Now next question, 7.074. Again you convert unlike a decimal into like a decimal. 7.070, then 7.074. Now both are 3 decimal place. First you look the whole number part. Our whole number part in both numbers are 7. The whole number part, both numbers are 7. We identify which is greater? No. Next you look the 10th place. Which place? 10th place. The 10th place here 0. Here also 0. You identify? No. Next you look the 100th place. Which place you look? 100th place. Here 7. Here also 7. Identify you? No. Which is greater? No. Next you look the 1000th place. Here also. Here 0 come. Here 4 come. Which is greater? 0 or 4? Which is greater? 4 is greater. Therefore, 7.074 is greater. Understand you? One more example. 5.008 here 5.003. First you look the whole number part. Here 5, here also 5. Both are same. Next you look the 10th place. Here 0, here also 0. Both are same. Next you look the 100th place. Here 0, here also 0. Both are same. Next you look the 1000th place. Here 8, here 3. Which is greater? 8 is greater, 3 is greater, 8 is greater. Therefore, this number is greater. 5.008 is greater than 5.003. This is comparing the number. Next, ordering the decimal numbers. Ordering means ascending and descending. Ordering the numbers. Ordering the decimal numbers. We study the decimal chart. Now, look here. For example, look, first we convert here 4 decimal. First here how many decimal place? Here 2, here 3, here 2, here 1. Then first we convert unlike decimal into like decimal. First you convert unlike decimal into like decimal. 7. The highest decimal place is 3. Therefore, we write 7.380. Here 4.375. Here 3.080. Here 9.500. Understand you? First you convert unlike decimal into like decimal. Convert unlike decimal into like decimal. Now you first be ascending order. First we study ascending order. Ascending means smaller to bigger. Ascending means smaller to bigger. First you look the whole number part. First you look the whole number part. Answer. Here 7, here 4, here 3, here 9. Which is smaller number? 3. First you write 3.080. Then 4.375. Then 7.380, then 9.500. We arrange this number in ascending order. Ascending means smaller to bigger. First you look the whole number part. Here whole number part is 3, here 4, here 7, here 9. We arrange this number ascending smaller to bigger. In another example, first look here. .78, then 2.783, then 2.77, then 2.735. Look here. Here 2 decimal place, here 3 decimal place, here 1 decimal place, here 3. First you arrange this unlike decimal into like decimal. 2 point highest decimal place is 3. Therefore, we arrange this number also go in 3 decimal place. 780. Here 2.783. Here 2.700. Here 2.735. Now you look all are in 3 decimal place. Now we arrange. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. First you look the whole number part. Here whole number part 2, here also 2, here also 2, here all are same. How to identify which is greater? No. Next you look which place? 10th place. Here 7, here 7, here 7, here also 7. All are same. Next you look 100th place. Here 8, here 8, here 0, here 3. Which is smaller? This fraction. Here 0 come here. Here 8, here 8, here 3. Which is this? Answer 2.700. First we write. Then this number we take, you take. Then next is these 3 numbers. Then next which is this number 2.735. Next number, this 2 number, whole number part is also same, 10th place is also same, 100th place also same. Then next you look the 1000th place. Which is the 1000th place? Here 0, here 3. Which is smaller? This we write 2.780. Then we write 2.783. This is the ascending order. Now we study the descending order. Descending means bigger to smaller. Listen, 8.45, 3.4, then 9.3, then 0.358. Again you look how many decimal places. Here 3, here 1, here 1, here 2. First you convert unlike decimal into like decimal. 8.450. The highest decimal place 3. Therefore we also need all are in 3 decimal place. 3.400, 9.300, 0.358. Now you arrange in descending order. Descending means greater to smaller. Which is the first you look the whole number. Here 8, here 3, here 9, here 0. Which is greater? 9. You write 9.300. Then 8.450. Then 3.400. Then 0.358. Understand you? This is the descending order. Now I give some homework. Do question 1 A to F, question 2 A to F of exercise 7.5. You also do 7.4 also do. Okay. Now thank you.